Hello students, today we are going to learn of some short questions of lesson 6. Okay. The first of all we see analysis the role of following factors in determining pro-social behavior. A. Cultural factors. B. Diffusion of responsibility. First we see cultural factors. Some cultures encourage people to help needy and distressed. Next, culture that encourage independence. In this type, you will see less pro-social behavior, as they will take care of themselves and will not let them depend on others. Next, individuals in cultures suffering from a shortage of resources may not show a high level of pro-social behavior. Diffusion of responsibility. First point, pro-social behavior can be reduced when the number of bystanders is more than one. Next point, consider of example an accident on roadside where there are a lot of people gathered. Each one will think it is not its responsibility to help the victim and someone else will help. This phenomenon is called diffusion of responsibility. Next point. On the other hand, if there is only one bystander, this person is more likely to take the responsibility and actually help the victim. Okay. The next question. Analyze the importance of the following in social facilitation. A. Evaluation apprehension. B. Nature of task. The answer is evaluation apprehension. Better performance in the presence of others is because the person feels she or he is being evaluated. Cottrell called this idea evaluation apprehension. The person will be praised if the performance is good, means reward, or criticized if it is bad, that means punishment. Next point, we wish to get praise and avoid criticism. Therefore, we try to perform well and avoid mistakes. Okay. B. Nature of task. The nature of task to be performed also affects the performance in the presence of others. For example, in the case of a simple task, the person is sure of performing well and the eagerness to get praise or reward is stronger. So, the individual performs better in the presence of others than she or he does when alone. On the other hand, if there is only one bystander, this person is more likely to take the responsibility and actually help the victim. Okay. Next question. When the information presented first has a stronger effect than the information presented at the end, it is called A. Halo effect, B. Primacy effect, C. Recency effect, D. Secondary effect. The answer is primacy effect. Next question. Explain kernel of truth as a source of prejudice. The answer is prejudice are examples of attitudes towards a particular group and which are mostly negative. Okay? Sometimes people continue to hold stereotypes, that is, ideas regarding the characteristics of a specific group, and they think that after all there must be some truth or kernel of truth in what everyone says about the other group. Even a few examples are sufficient to support the kernel of truth idea. Okay? Discuss the three social norms of pro-social behavior. The answer is pro-social behavior is expressed when the situation activates certain social norms that require helping others. There are three norms: social responsibility, reciprocity, equity. First we see social responsibility. We should help anyone who needs help without considering any other factors. Next, reciprocity. We should help those persons who have helped us in the past. Next, equity. We should help others whenever we find that it is fair to do so. For example, many of us may feel that it is more fair to help a person who has lost all belongings in a flood than to help a person who has lost everything through gambling. Okay? Next question. Analyze the following process of attitude formation. A. Learning attitude by association. B. Learning attitude through modeling. The answer is A. Learning attitude by association. You must have seen that students tend to like a particular subject because of the teacher. This is because they see many positive qualities in that teacher. These positive qualities get linked to the subject that she or he teaches and ultimately get expressed in the form of liking for the subject. In other words, a positive attitude towards the subject is learned through the positive association between a teacher and a student. Okay? Next, B. Learning attitudes through modeling. Often it is not through association or through reward and punishment that we learn attitudes. Instead, We learn them by observing others being rewarded or punished for expressing thoughts or showing behavior of a particular kind towards the attitude object. For example, children may form a respectful attitude towards elders by observing that their presence show respect for elders and are for it. Appreciated for it. Okay, that's all students. Thank you.